Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Christina Ng from ULearning. My topic today is the new normal, innovative hybrid teaching solution. About ULearning, we are founded in 2006. We have headquarters at Beijing, international headquarters at Singapore. We are the leading provider of learning management system based on SaaS model. We serve over 800 educational institutions, 1,000 corporations, and 10 vertical industries with more than 10 million users worldwide. We are the global strategic solution partner of Huawei, with joint effort in delivering the next generation learning management system based on Huawei AI and cloud and 5G technologies to the educators, teachers, and learners worldwide. Since February 2020, we have encountered the outbreak of COVID-19. Schools and offices are closed. Our life is very much disrupted. However, life must go on, and we need to go back to school or office under the new normal environment. When we talk about back to school, this is the traditional classroom under the new normal SOP. The capacity of the classroom is about 40% to 50% of the normal class. So, as a teacher, you teach half of the class students in the physical classroom. Then, another batch of students in the next section. And then you probably have to teach again using the virtual live classroom for those students who cannot come to the campus. That's 2 or 3 times of additional workload for the teacher. To overcome this, what would be the effective mode of classroom teaching? For the past 10 years, we have been guiding thousands of teachers in using the hybrid teaching mode. And now, hybrid teaching mode is even more applicable to the new normal teaching environment. And what is hybrid teaching? Hybrid teaching refers to teaching that is roughly balanced between face-to-face and online teaching session. When we use hybrid teaching mode under the new normal SOP, teachers and school management may encounter these issues. How can teachers ensure that all students are participating in the classroom activities, in class and outside of the physical class concurrently? What if some students do not have computer at home for remote learning? How to implement hybrid teaching? How formative assessment can be done? And the school management will ask how to manage and monitor hybrid teaching effectively. Introducing the innovative hybrid teaching solution under the new normal environment is the traditional classroom redesign. Let's look at this. On the left-hand side, we have physical classroom A with teacher conducting face-to-face teaching. Assuming that about 40% of the class students are attending the class. Classroom B is a synchronous classroom that accommodates another batch of students in the campus with, say, 40% of students attending, and some 20% students are attending virtual class at home. Teacher is using a smart big screen to share the teaching materials and do lecturing in classroom A, while students in classroom B are watching teachers' lecturing session through the smart big screen. This is the technology solution that facilitates this whole teaching process. The ULearning Learning Management System with Smart Classroom solution is integrated with Huawei IdeaHub, the smart big screen that facilitates innovative hybrid teaching. We have learning management system that have functions and features that cover the whole loop of online teaching and learning. We also have live class system that facilitates teachers to conduct virtual classroom for teaching. And we have Huawei's smart big screen, the IdeaHub, running ULearning Smart Classroom app to facilitate teachers in classroom teaching and synchronous classroom teaching. Students can participate in classroom activities through PC, pad, or mobile phone. This chart is showing how teachers can use smart classroom solution for efficient classroom teaching. Before teacher goes to the class, teacher will first get ready the teaching materials in the learning management system. When teacher starts teaching in the class, teacher initiates smart class session on the IdeaHub. Teacher will use the classroom tools of smart classroom to organize activities, and students participate in the activities through ULearning mobile app. All activity data and activity results will then be recorded in the learning management system. Class report will be automatically generated in the LMS after the class. So, the whole loop of teaching process, before class, in class, and after class, will be data-driven to provide real-time statistics that help teachers to enhance teaching efficacy. The solutions helps your classroom teaching become highly efficient, interactive, engaging, and it facilitates real-time knowledge sharing with all students participating in the classroom activities. The smart classroom solution can fit into a variety of classroom application scenarios. For example, face-to-face teaching, discussion-led teaching, and live virtual classroom teaching. In face-to-face teaching, teacher launches the smart classroom, create a class session. At the bottom panel of IdeaHub, there is a list of classroom tools: roll call, quick answer, pick students, discussion, and resources. Teacher launches the classroom tools, and students participate in the activities by using the ULearning mobile app. And you have the entire classroom teaching process and results recorded into the learning management system. After the class performance report is generated automatically in the teacher account of the learning management system. Discussion-led teaching. There are two groups of students with two teachers moderating the discussion sessions. IdeaHub facilitates synchronous multi-screen sharing, annotation with markers, and discussion process recording. While ULearning LMS facilitates teachers to manage group discussion, grade group performance, and set grading rules. Live virtual classroom. In concurrent session, we have a physical classroom with teacher, synchronous classroom in another location, and students at home attending the class concurrently. Here, we deploy ULearning Smart Classroom plus Huawei IdeaHub and Huawei Cloud Meeting to make these three application scenarios sync together. IdeaHub provides the feature of video conferencing, screen sharing, multi-location real-time interaction, two-way interaction, and classroom teaching session recording. You also get classroom activity report and student activity results after class through the ULearning LMS. And how this can be done? Let's start with teaching preparation before class. Log into www.ulearning.asia and sign in as a teacher. We select a course and enter into the Teaching Tools page. The teaching tools on the left-hand side panel are in 4 groups. First group is about the content. Second group is about teaching activities. And third group is about teaching evaluation. Fourth group is about teaching management. Announcement is about the course introduction. Courseware is meant for students to study courseware content, such as video course, before and after the class. Go to the resources section. This is where you can load the teaching resource and open the resource in the Smart Classroom app that is running on Huawei IdeaHub Smart Big Screen. This is the Classroom Tools section. There are roll call, poll, quick answer, pick student, grade, and so on. They are available online and also on Smart Classroom app running on Huawei IdeaHub, which we'll showcase later. Now, let's launch the Smart Classroom app on IdeaHub. First, create a class session. At the bottom panel, you will see a number of classroom tools: roll call, poll, quick answer, resources, discussion. Let's go to the resource. Remember, we have preloaded PowerPoint into the LMS. Teacher uses the resource tool to display the PowerPoint or teaching materials and start teaching. Next, we go for the discussion. Students can participate in the activity in class and remote distance online using the mobile app. Next, teacher launches discussion tool, create a topic, and students use mobile app to answer. The answers instantly display on IdeaHub. The session can be recorded through IdeaHub. Teacher then initiate Pick Student tool. Randomly select a student. Ask the student a question, then grade student's performance. The points given to the student is automatically registered in the Learning Management System. This is how you, as a teacher or trainer, can redesign the traditional classroom teaching into highly efficient, interactive, and engaging hybrid teaching mode with the help of new educational technologies brought to you by ULearning and Huawei. And you will be provided with the necessary training on how these innovative hybrid teaching solutions can be implemented effectively. Last but not least, for school management, you can also use ULearning LMS online exam function and IdeaHub to monitor the entire online exam process and management. ULearning test system has an AI facial verification system built in, lockdown browser, and other features for dishonesty behavior prevention. Every year, there are over 1 million of students taking online exam through ULearning test system. Come talk to us and find out how we have helped hundreds of educational institutions and 1,000 of corporations implemented hybrid teaching and training solutions successfully. Thank you.